Beautiful day. Don't stop believing that you can get a great car for a cheaper price. The sedan is no longer the king of cars in America. SUVs and crossovers dominate the market. So when a company introduces a new sedan, it's got to be an attention grabber. Fox 40 auto expert Nik Miles has found one such sedan.
When it comes to sedans in America, Toyota have had the crown for 15 years with the Camry. But there's one company that thinks they've come up with a vehicle that may challenge that crown.
Kia's mid-size sedan, the Optima, only sold around 100,000 a year compared to the Toyota Camry that did around 4 times that number. The Optima was a less expensive alternative to the Camry with more adventurous style and tech. But Kia dropped the Optima name this year in favor of its replacement, the K5. Kia have taken the K5 in a different direction from the standard mid-size sedan with a push to luxury features, German styling and high-end tech.
Now here is one of the most interesting styling points about the new Kia K5. It's this long, slow swoop, a coupe-like rear end. In fact, when I look at it, it reminds me totally of the Audi A7. But here's the big difference. The starting price of an Audi A7 is $69,000. The starting price of a Kia K5 is $23,390. That is a huge difference of $45,610. Now they've got German styling in the Kia K5 for about $45,000 less.
The Kia K5 is a complete makeover from bottom to top. The Kia Optima was around 21 years. The Optima, now the K5, has always shared much with its sister car, the Hyundai Sonata. And last year we got a new Sonata, so this year we get a new K5.
Now, Kia have always had something called the Tiger Nose grille in the front of their vehicles, but this new K5 has something called the Tiger Nose face, or the Tiger face. This whole face is supposed to be tiger-like, and it has these lights on the side called the heartbeat lights. Now, I've worked in medicine a long time, and if you have a heartbeat that looks like these lights, you probably should go to the ER.
Full LED headlights and fog lights, depending on the trim, are standard. You'll now get 5 different trim levels to choose from. We've driven 2 of the versions, the GT Line and the EX.
Now, Kia have promised a performance version of the new K5 called the GT. Now, the GT will be different than the GT line. It'll be a true performance vehicle, and it'll be competing with vehicles like the Toyota Camry TRD. The K5 is going to be American built. It's going to be built in Georgia alongside the Kia Telluride and Sorento at the factory there. The starting price of this, which is almost on sale now, is around $23,000 and change. The GT model, which arrives later this November, will start around $31,000.
Kia have a winner. And although the Camry may be safe as the best-selling mid-size car in America, the K5 is nipping at its heels. For Fox 40, I'm Nik Miles.
All righty, Nick, thank you.